Hello everyone, so here is the question number 37 of the physics. So what is the question? The efficiency of an ideal heat engine working between the freezing point and boiling point of the water is option first 26.8%, option second 20%, option third 12.5%, and option fourth 6.25%. So to find the efficiency of an ideal heat engine, the formula for finding the efficiency is 1 minus 1. This is the formula 1 minus T2 upon T1 for finding the efficiency, where T2 is the sink temperature or T2 is the freezing point, which is equal to 273 Kelvin, and T1 is the source temperature, which is the boiling point of water, which is equal to 373 Kelvin. Okay, and to find the efficiency in terms of percentage, we can multiply it with 100. So this is the formula for finding the efficiency in terms of percentage: 1 minus T2 upon T1 into 100. So 1 minus 273 upon 373 multiply by 100. After doing this, we will get the efficiency at 26.8%. So from the option number first is the correct answer, 26.8%. Okay.